Hi viewers, how are you? This is our smart lock Tuya A8 black, and also this model Tuya A8 black. These are two models looking same but have same options. Okay, now we generate the passwords. In this one, just press star hash, then press 1 to register as a key. When you press 1, here you enter the secret key. It's your choice. Put any 6-digit numbers like this: 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Then press hash. Again, enter it again: 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, hash. Now the password is generated. And also press 1 to register your finger.
Please enter again.
See.
Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again. Operation succeed.
And same as it is, press 1 to add your card. Just scan your card like here. Now your card is also registered. So now the next step is how to enroll your face in the smart lock. Then press 2
Please look directly at the camera.
and also coming straight
Turn
in front.
15 degrees slightly to the right. Please turn 15 degrees slightly to the left. Please bow your head a little. Please rise your head a little. Operation succeed.
No, like this your
Enroll on finger.
face
Password
also
or card.
registered.
2.
Okay,
Enroll on face. 1. Create new
And-
user. 2. Delete user.
and in next video I'll told you about how to register your smart lock with your phone, how to connect your smart lock with your mobile, and how to operate with the mobile. Okay, thank you.